A very good afternoon to all of you. Today you are going to learn a lesson from the main course book, Unit 2nd, Section 3. It's a poem written by Srinjay Chakravarti, A Trek Through the Himalayas. It is a poem consists of 5 stanzas and each stanza covers 4 lines. The journey lasts for days and days. We trek up the valley, hill and slope. We carry with ourselves the hope to traverse strange, untrodden ways. The difficult word meanings are given in red font in brackets. In the first stanza, to traverse means travel across. To traverse strange, untrodden ways. Untrodden means not walked by many. Very few people walked on. The mountaineers say that to reach the top of the Himalayan mountain, it takes a lot of time. It lasts for many days. On their journey to the top, they come across valleys, springs, lakes, slopes, etc. The trekkers or the mountaineers climb up through the Himalayas with a positive hope of reaching the peak. Stanza 2nd. We enter now a world of clouds. Along the way, we hear the call. Along the way, we hear the call of mountain winds and waterfall. The pallid mist is spreading shrouds. The pallid mist means the light fog is spreading or covering of the light fog. One can see all over the mountain peak, all over the way. Through the second stanza, the poet is sharing the experience when he is about to reach the peak of the mountain. He says that he feels like they are among the clouds and along the way hear sounds of wind and waterfall, which makes them feel that the mountains are calling for them. Stanza 3rd. At last we reach the final peak. The summit beckons us to come. The air is cold, our feet are numb. We climb to reach the grail we seek. The summit. What is the summit? The highest point of hill or the mountain. The summit beckons when you signal someone to come to you. That is the meaning of the beckons. The summit beckons us to come. The air is cold, our feet are numb. Our feet are numb. Our feet are not able to feel anything. Our feet lose its sensation. We climb to reach the grail. we seek. Grail we seek, that means a thing we try very hard. What is the thing we try very hard? The task of climbing the mountain. In the stanza third, the poet has enumerated his emotions. When finally they reach the peak, they are enchanted by the view from there. He says that the peak of the mountain is covered with light covering of mist. He also says that the air on the peak is very cold, which makes their feet numb. Numb, I already mentioned, the feet have no sensation, the feet lost its sensation. The poet strongly feels that the summit is calling for them, and so they climb with positive hope to reach or achieve the mission which seemed quite difficult to reach. Stanza 4. The path is steep and narrow there, it snakes its way, the stairs of stone. Now mark the route we make our own. The sunshine gilds the lucid air. Here the second line, the snakes its way. You know how the snakes move in a zigzag way, not straight. Just like the path on the Himalaya is also not straight. And the sunshine gilds. The sunshine covers thinly with gold. The gold cover one can see when the sunshine is there. And the lucid air means the crystal clear air, means the air without any pollution. Through the stanza 4, the poet talks about the route to the peak is very steep and narrow. They have to make their own way, as the stairs of stones only show us the path to the top. The poet expresses the beauty of the sun that shines on the covering of mist and appear like a gold. The stanza 5th, that is the concluding stanza, final stanza. The peak is stark with gelid snow. We look where sky and the earth have merged. From the high above, our souls are purged. Forgotten lies the world below. The peak is stocked with gelid. With gelid means icy, extremely cold peak. From high above, our souls are purged, means our souls are cleansed of bad thoughts and feelings. Bad thoughts and feelings are cleaned, and we forgot the lies, the world below. Thus, in the concluding stanza number 5, the poet is overwhelmed with the happiness to see the horizon from the top. What is horizon? The meeting point of the earth and the mountain. The meeting point of the earth and the sky is known as the horizon. That is from the top. His emotions expresses that their souls are cleansed of bad thoughts and bad feelings. They do not remember anything about the world below. Dear students, I hope this lesson is very clear to you. Stay at home, be healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.